Hi, I'm Kaustav. I welcome you to Face Reality Show 2016. I thank Neil, both the Neils, Neil and Indranil, and Shomrat, and all for inviting me to do this workshop with the participants. What we are going to do today is basically teach them some tips how to pose in front of the camera, basically how to look good in front of the camera. Well, my motivation for photography was aptly what we are going to discuss today. That is how to make people look good, really. But I'm also a fashion designer by qualification. So I started my career as a graphics guy, doing lookbooks for fashion designers, and hence started shooting for them. And people liked it, and I continued. So that's my primary motivation: to make people look good, to make my clients' outfits look good, and that's it. Fashion and photography goes back a long time. Actually, the moment when photography was invented, we had fashion designers. Fashion designers have a sole objective of dressing you up, and photographers have the objective of making those dresses look good. So that's the main connection. And plus, if you look at it, fashion photography is probably the highest paid photographic career that you can have. So it's just natural that you have a long historical connection between the two. Face contestants, মানে আজকে আমরা যা করতে যাচ্ছি সেটা হলো ওয়ার্কশপে উই উইল বেসিক্যালি সি কি ক্যামেরার সামনে কীরকম করে দাঁড়াতে হয়, কীরকম করে পোজ করতে হয়, অ্যান্ড অলসো উইল ডিসকাস ডিটেলস যেমন দ্য ক্যামেরা অ্যাঙ্গেল, ফর এক্সাম্পল কি হুইচ ক্যামেরা অ্যাঙ্গেল ইজ দ্য বেস্ট ফর ইচ পার্সন, অ্যান্ড অলসো আমরা একটু উইল ডু এ ওয়ার্কশপ উইথ পোজিং নিয়ে, বেসিক্যালি হোয়াট ইট টেক্স টু বি আ ফ্যাশন মডেল. Definition of photography literally is capturing light. So if you say fashion photography, tahale holo ki ar ki you are capturing fashion in light. That's it. However, that's a very silly definition. For me, fashion photography is slightly more than that. For me, there are two aspects to it. Ekta holo je this is art for me. I don't consider myself an artist, but I try to bring in an element of art. And the second thing is. My clients hire me because they need to do business. They need to sell their products. That's more important for me. So for me, it's another business with passion. Actually, I started my career on my own, so I didn't have any guidance for photography or something like that. But I was influenced whatever I could see on the internet or see on the magazines. I have hardly interacted with photographers as such, but yeah, I have met Raghu Rai. I really like his style of working. I have met Prabuddha. I actually would consider my style to be a lot like Prabuddha, the late fashion photographer, and those would be my influences. And we have international fashion photographers, and basically you basically get influenced by whatever you see around you, be it famous or not famous. Even youngsters, sometimes they do beautiful pictures, and you get influenced, and then you try to improve yourself. Face as an organization is doing a tremendous job of fulfilling an empty space that Kolkata had for a very long time. That is of mentoring talent. We have photographers, great photographers, we have got great stylists, we've got super makeup artists, and of course Bengali beauties are world famous. We have beautiful models, both male and female. But এরকম কেউ ছিল না কি somebody could bring all this talent together, mentor them, and make something that's nationally and internationally presentable. And Face is doing a commendable job for the last few years, especially Neil. He's been relentless with his efforts, and he's always been pushing and pushing. And I think that's very important for Kolkata to take Kolkata to the national level at least.
Kaustav Saikya, the most flamboyant and prominent photographer in India, not only Kolkata. So he has very kindly consented to be a part of this, and he's been here from the first year of Face. So he's been supporting us throughout.
You're all models, more or less. You're all talented. That's why you're here. you all know how to look good in front of the camera, more or less. So I'm going to put some tips and techniques from a photographer's point of view, which I hope will help you on Sunday to give your best for the Beach Fest sequence. I'm sure you are all excited and nervous at the same time. So we'll just try to make it as smooth as possible so that we can get some nice pictures. Okay, the most important thing to look good in pictures is to feel good. So we all see models in the magazines and everywhere, like TV, internet, everywhere. So what is a classic model pose? I mean, we have like these are some of the top models who are kind of sitting and blah blah blah. Somebody actually tried to copy it on the other side, yes, on the right hand side with non-models. It didn't really look good.